This is QuickTime Technology, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download OBS, which is called Open Broadcaster Software, that allows you to live stream on YouTube, Twitch, any other application. So without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing you have to do is go all the way to your dock, go to Safari, go to YouTube, and make sure you are signed into your account. And then we can click on the right top hand corner, go to Creator Studio, and now go all the way to live streaming. Before you do all of this, you have to make sure that live streaming is enabled. It says you can live stream, so go back to live stream, and then you can start live streaming. But before doing that, you have to go to set up encoding software, so go to guide to encoding. All the links will be in the description. And now go all the way down, it says try Open Broadcaster Software. So click on this, download OBS Studio for macOS 10.10 plus, and wait for that to download. Once that is downloaded, we can click off Safari, close that. Go to the downloads and Finder, navigate to the file. Where is it? There it is. Click on this, double click, minimize this, and now it says welcome to the OBS installer. Continue, install, put in your password as usual, writing files, validating the package. Installation was success, close, keep for the moment, and now go to Launchpad. And OBS is here. So if we click on this, please review the license. Yes, yes, yes. Read through all of this and then click OK. And then it says, would you like to run the auto configuration wizard? You also manually configure your settings by clicking the setting button in the main window. No. Close out of this. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.